Hello, this is Barb and Radu in Boulder, Colorado, and we need your help housing Ukrainian refugees in Romania. Thank you in advance for your kindness. Radu will summarize the situation and how your contributions will be used.
Hi everyone. I grew up in Romania and we have a second home there. We need your help to cover our costs to house Ukrainian refugees fleeing the war. The home is vacant right now. We were setting it up to be a vacation home for us, or maybe for us to actually living longer there, because we absolutely love the home. But the situation has abruptly changed, as we all know, with this horrible war. What we plan to use your contributions for is specifically costs, and especially energy costs. We anticipate our natural gas bill to be in the anywhere between $500 and $800 given our last bill. Keep in mind, for reference, that in December 2020, natural gas in Europe was 20 euros per megawatt hour, and yesterday at closing day, according to the Wall Street Journal, was 270 euros per megawatt hour. So respect these gigantic bills, and my plan was to go there and actually turn off the heat and empty the pipes so they don't freeze. I can't do that. I'd rather help Ukrainian refugees if I can. So here's the story. We already listed our place on Airbnb.org. 2 days ago, 4 women that have already entered in Romania, they are in a car, have booked our place for the first month. We listed our place for basically half the market rate, and we gave them when listing at Airbnb.org from .com, we took another 20% off, and then when they booked, they got another 20% off. So basically, they are somewhere around 70% off market rate right now. We had to do that first off for security reasons. One of the women does speak a little English, and she has a profile on Airbnb, so we want to make certain that we don't get scammed. So basically, they are arriving in 2 days, and right now we're currently, sort of scrambling our friends and family in Brașov, Romania, where this place is. It's a two-bedroom apartment. There's 4 women, a dog, and a cat on their way. And what we're anticipating is that they're going to be there at least a few months. So we're looking at a couple of more months of cold weather, and huge natural gas bills, as I said before. And so basically, that's the pain. We were not anticipating this shock on energy costs, and we have no idea right now how we can get help. As far as we know, the Ukrainian refugees can get help, like a certain sum per day that was announced by the Romanian government. Anyway, so that's it. If we reach our goal or exceed it, and some of the money doesn't get used, that excess, we will donate the excess to our local nonprofit, which is Romanian American Freedom Alliance, see rafa.org. This is an organization I've been involved with for over 20 years. I've been the president for 6 years, and it's 100% volunteer. And we've been helping Romanian orphans for 3 decades now, since 1990. And none of the money will be used for any other purpose than helping people in need. So thank you so much. If you know how to find us on the web, I will list my personal consulting website in the text, and it's radu.page. And if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we truly hope that this war ends soon, and we may have excess funds, which would be an amazing thing that would happen. God bless everyone. Thank you.